Okay, I think I figured out the easy way to rotate the shoulder dart in CLO. I don't know why this one really confused me for some reason, but I was looking at this pattern piece. Here is our dart right here in the shoulder, and where we want it is over here at the bottom. This is our end goal. And when I was analyzing this, I'm like, okay, so the dart point, it's kind of pointing towards the center front. So maybe that's where I need to rotate my dart point to. Maybe I was rotating it in all these funny spaces. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to select my two dart legs. I'm going to right click, rotate dart, and I'm going to say this is the segment where I want my new dart, center front. This might backfire. Maybe I should do it right here. Oh gosh. Okay, we'll try right here. Click on a guideline to rotate. So I think this will be my center point. And then I want to rotate this one, click. Oh, and then how far do I want it? Click and move the cursor, set the dart length. There. So that kind of worked. Yay, that was so much easier. So you really have to understand the direction of the dart point. And I think when I was messing around, I was putting that in all these crazy spots. But this is a way easier way to do it in CLO as opposed to like the way I was treating. Look at that, it's the same. Because this is the one that took me forever to do by pivoting it and like tracing it. It took so long. So it's way faster and easier to just rotate the dart. So slashing and spreading in this case versus the pivot is way easier in CLO. You just have to be, oh, what's the word? Is there a better word than smart enough to understand the whole concept of the dart point pointing in the right direction. So that one kind of threw me through a loop, but I did figure it out. If I went too fast, watch this video again and slow it down. All right, guys, good luck.